Hi Venkat, just we are waiting like
Hi,
him
hi.
to join.
Oh, let Sandeep also join. Yeah.
Yeah. Others no. So you don't have any doubt, right? You have understood till here whatever I want to
Yeah,
explain,
yeah.
right?
Clear. But
Clear, no?
now one script I didn't understand, Rajesh. The before
Which one?
script one. Before script.
Before script?
Open five, unlimited, untitled five.
This one.
This one, not this one. Split path. My
This one.
uh,
Okay, you just
five.
understood. You can ask anything.
Okay.
So yeah, Sandeep, tell
Okay.
me which kind of script you are using in your organization.
SQL installation,
Okay.
hotfix by the PowerShell, AG creation,
What creation?
add database through by the
Okay.
AG, always
Okay.
on
Always on
creation,
creation.
Sandeep,
failure, AG failure.
your voice is not at all. I mean,
Yes.
very crushing, bro. I mean, like it's like an electronic voice, not your actual
Echo,
voice. It's like
echo is coming.
yeah, yeah.
So Venkat, so Sandeep,
Yep.
so
Sandeep, please continue.
Hello.
yes, yes, Sandeep, tell me.
Now audible?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fine.
Yes,
audible, audible.
PowerShell SQL installation, hotfix means CU update by the PowerShell,
Okay,
AG creation,
okay,
and failure, AG failure.
okay.
Also, firewall testing means we test one server will come now.
Hmm.
After that, we test the firewall from one server to another, like
Okay, it is.
GCP to on-prem server.
Okay. So only
Firewall
this much.
testing,
Hmm.
and yeah, we like restoring the backup files, log
Okay,
files. We are
okay,
create the backup files
okay,
through the PowerShell.
okay. So you
Uh,
you start reading this all. So maybe for firewall, it's having the lot of Windows level of setting. So maybe you will not understood more
right, sir.
in right. So this thing you go with which is related with SQL more like backup, restore, always on configuration. But always on configuration, adding and all before you have to know the logic in the theoretical how it is added. You have manually have you done setup of always on?
Yes,
No.
manually I have done.
If you have done
Yes.
the manually, same thing they have written into the always on. So always on, you start reading it. So whatever I have explained, in that much you will understood the logic how they have written, right? They are using
Yes.
commandlets, DB tool or .NET frame library. At least you have open, you will come to know about this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Whatever
will
script
check.
you have, yeah, no, if any script you have open, you will come to know what logic they are using it. So
Yes.
please go and check. Then only you can develop your skill because you are the person who is really doing the work as a PowerShell. Later, if you are going any organization, aram say you have to explain this logic only why they are doing this. Take my theoretical thing, practical thing, whatever I have explained, and build your logic, whatever it is implemented in your organization. Very soon you can grow up. Your package, if you are getting 5 lakhs, you will get that 15 lakhs. That much fast package you will get. Learn this,
Right, sir.
learn cloud also, right?
Yes, sir.
These two technology, you just see it, then you will see your market value how much it is there. At least SQL is basics, means SQL knowledge has to be there, must. Any question if they are asking, at least 80% answer you have to give for the SQL. And after that, PowerShell programming and your Azure, you see your market value after that, how the people is giving you the money, right? And once you are going for the any organization, like as if they are telling, I want PowerShell DBA, so you tell you are working as a team. Don't tell individually you are doing as a work. So you will not able to manage there. If simply alone they have put you, it's very difficult for you. You can tell I am
Yes,
working
sir.
with the training that some people, and if you are going to give me the training, I will able to perform. So that directly you clear, because many student you will see for me, they have after training this programming, that they have got the job, but they have not survived. They are coming to me, sir, explain that code, write the code. Whether I will sit and I will write for them, no, it is not possible. So don't tell anything wrong for the development part, because DBA at least you can do that, something they will give you that proper training, then only but development, don't tell I know the everything, sir. So directly they will put you into that. Okay, I don't want to discuss more on this. I am going with my program, what I want to explain. So this thing you understood, that value is coming here, it is all gone here, one by one it is passing here, and it is displaying this into the loop. Same thing if you want to display, you can do from the pipe symbol. So if I am going to write 1 2 means the value is passing one by one here. So this time I am writing just pipe symbol, 1 2 it is there. After that I have written for each object, so automatically it is taking one by one and printing dollar underscore means what, it is the same value whatever it is there, that is automatically it will take. What is the pipe symbol is there above that, what are the parameters there, that one. So if I'm going to execute this also will give the 1 2 result. For each or for each object both are same only. Here I want to discuss about the pipe symbol. Whenever you are using the pipe symbol, you can use the dollar underscore. But if you are using like this in bracket, you have to directly, you have to give the value here only. Got it? No doubt. Same thing, I taken one value ABC here, and then I want to call this. So then also it is fine. I taken one variable, inside the variable I say 1 2 3, and I am writing for each object, and directly I am giving. So some person was used, sir, what is the meaning of dot here? So if you want to compare, that time you can use the dot. Just example, you will see last time you have sent Sandeep one programming to me, right? So there, like, just you remember, I am taking the status in one variable, and that I want a status dot name. So that time I can give that value, then dot. So like that, if you want to perform any operation, that time only you have to use the dot. So don't become confused. This also no doubt, right? So I'm moving forward now to explain you that concept, few things, and you will see how we are generating the multiple of file now. So what is the test connection? Test connection is nothing but, if you are going to execute this is nothing but it is a ping result. I will write I'm writing just host name. I'm giving the correct server name, otherwise it will be going to fail. I'm going given here. If I will give my correct server name, it is, and I'm writing hyphen quiet means it is going to give me the result true or false. Got it? So my server is able to pingable, that is the correct server name. So that's why it's giving the true result. But if I will give the wrong server name, I will get that. 1 second, guys. If I'm going to give the wrong server name, it will be give me the result as true or false. Got it? Got it? So if I'm giving here 1, so this server is not available, right? So if I'm going to execute this, it will give the result as a false. So the meaning of this means test hyphen quiet. This one test connection I have used before also, before programming. It is giving the false result. If you are not giving this one quiet means what? It is just what it will do. The meaning, it will is going to ping the server, as is how it is. See here how it is pinging, right? 3 times it is going to be ping. Got it? No doubt. Same as your ping result, right? So what I want to go, I want to create, I want to check my hotfix for that server. In this server, I want to generate the result. What I will do, I will be going putting here, and I will get the output detail. So somewhere I will generate here only. My self work, copy, SP detail. I have given here. So what it will do, SP detail, it is there, any folder, SP detail, it is there. I will delete this. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here and I will execute it. So one result has been created in this, and it's having the all detail about that service pack, whatever you have seen. So what I want to tell here, what I want to tell here, same thing what I'm going to do. And like first I have to ping the server, and then it has to be go and check that hotfix detail. And it is, we can complete in the pipe symbol also, like how we have done before. I was using the for each loop and all, I was taking that in different way also. We can, you will able to perform. You can take the get content from the server list. You can see server list is here or not. Server list, it is here. It is given that what I will do, I don't have different server. What I will do, I will give the 2 times the detail. If it is rotating, then it is fine. I'll give this location. So what happened now? What are the two value? It is taken from this file. It is same as how before I have declare it, same thing. It is taking the value and it is rotating the 2 times, 1 and 2 we are getting. If I am taking 1, 2, 3, so it is displaying the 1, 2, 3 value. Same thing it is happening here. I have taken the value, and in that what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the test. It is a test connection for that first server. If the test connection is successful, then only it will go for the another pipe loop. Getting or not, guys? So this time I'm not writing for each or anything directly. I'm giving the pipe symbol. So here 2 times, why it is given? Dollar means what? That server name. That server name will come, and for that server name is test connection is true, then only it will go to the next line. The meaning of this means that. And after that, again I'm using the pipe symbol. If it is successful, go to the next one. And then for each you do, you pick up the value from here one by one value you take, it came here, then go to here, take the hotfix. In hotfix, what are the detail you want, you can take here, you convert to your CBS file, and you take into that value. So like that also you will able to perform. Oh, it's when to generate into that file, that location is not able to be available. So it is giving the error. So what I will do, I will type here. So it will go and it will generate that result to that file. So like this also you will able to do. Same thing, if you want, you can go with for each loop, you can try. If you want to take the result into the HTML file, that also you will able to do. If you want to see the result into that here, so don't convert to HTML, you remove this much of line, and then you are going to display. What is going to happen? It is oh sorry, it is executed all. I ran it. So now what will be happen? It will take the result. It is going to be display in this fashion, because I have selected this 4 thing to be display. If you want to know which are the detail, I will able to filter. You direct give to select star, and then you will able to get the detail about that multiple detail. It is going to be display. What you want to filter, you will able to filter for the for that hot fix. This much of detail it will be there when the update was happened. That many things is there up to date. What you want, first you have to understood what is this, all are the parameters is showing. Okay, I'm not going to discuss more. If you want to take the result into the HTML file, what you have to do for that, same thing I have done. I have taken the get content, I have done the test connection, I have done the for Egypt for all, I have selected this, and after that I'm writing here convert to HTML, and that out file I am saving with .html file. So what will be happen now? My program will be create that file into this location, and it will be pasted into the HTML file. So better what I will do, I will just changing that all things from here. Yeah, I'm giving here, and I'm going here. So what happened in this location, it is going to create the that one file. This time file will be in the HTML format. So later classes we are going to deal with more. So now HTML file is created, and now you can see that all detail is there, but it is not coming into the good format, like table format or something in different color or which one. So when I will explain you the HTML programming, that time you will able to understood each and everything, how to code the HTML thing, how to take the result into HTML, how to create our HTML report for this. And if if you want, like in 2022, if any pack which is updated last month, it has to be given the green color. That everything you will able to do once I will going to explain you the HTML part. So till here I think you don't have any doubt. I will be go to this and I will check. Switch is done, this is done, this is done, this is in service pack list. What is this? This is I have explained. You go with that programming 7 zip installation. This one is already I have completed last time. Passing the horizontal format is done. What is manual setup? Okay, this is just for auto reboot and up. This one I am going to explain you later. PS window update next class. Go with passing the parameter in the vertical format. It is done. HTML list just now I explained. Error creation template 5 loop is done. Timestamp is done. This is also done. This is also done. I think.
Open operators, Jones.
Huh?
Operators. Operator not done, I guess.
It is done. It is done. You go and watch the video. Operator also I explained, and I told like this are the arithmetic thing and these things are very simple. I explained this line, which is not there. That one I am explaining. Redirectory I have explained. Not equal to I have explained. Split and join I explained. Replace I have explained. Okay. Content, non-content I have explained. So now day 3 programming is done. Now I am moving for tomorrow, day 4 programming. So please be available. I will go to day 4 programming and we will see what kind of work we will able to do. And I'm going to explain you about the module. So this is very, very important topic. How the module is there, how the module will work in the PowerShell. Before programming, this is to understood this logic is very, very important. So please join tomorrow class and we will see some new kind of thing we are going to do. Headache is over because day 3 class is more hectic for me, because there I have to explain a lot of logic. Day 4 everything is become normal and you will understood each and everything, but do the practice. Okay, Venkat, Ravi.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I will upload the video so you will able to watch that. Thank you all.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.